Hello everyone, my name is Shreya and I'm a legal intern at Lexis and Company. I am pursuing DLLB honors from Law College Dehradun Uttaranchal University. I am currently in 7th semester and I'm glad to have this opportunity of interning at Lexis and Company, because of which I am able to present to you guys with this video. So the purpose and topic for this video will be the cancellation of trade union under the Trade Union Act 1926. So let's begin. The cancellation of trade union is mentioned under section 10 of the Trade Union Act 1926, which section 10 deals with the procedure for the cancellation of trade union, and according to it, the registrar has the power to cancel or withdraw the trade union on the following conditions. First, on the application of the trade union to be verified in such a manner which may be prescribed, or if there is satisfaction. So if the registrar is satisfied that the certificate has been obtained by way of fraud, mistake, or the trade union has ceased to exist, then the registrar may cancel the registration of such trade union. And next, the registrar can also cancel the registration of the trade union after the notification from the registrar of the trade union has which says that it was willfully contravened under the provision of the act, that any trade union, if it contravenes any section of the act, on such condition the registrar may cancel the registration of the trade union. And if the trade union is allowed to continue any rule in contravention of any such provision of the act, then also the registrar may cancel the trade union, the registration of that trade union. And if the trade union has rescinded any rule regarding for any rule providing for any matter provision for which is required by the section, then the registrar shall cancel the registration. And for about the issuing of the notice, the registrar shall give the previous notice to the trade union of not less than 2 months, by specifying the ground of cancellation or withdrawal of the trade union. If the registrar wishes to do so, then he shall issue the notice for not less than 2 months, and also he should specify the grounds of the cancellation. And before the cancellation or withdrawal of the registration of the trade union, he should definitely issue the notice. So otherwise on the no if when the application of the trade union is given that we want to cancel the registration of the trade union, only in that case the registrar will not send the notice to them. So let's discuss some cases regarding the cancellation of the registration of the trade union. The first case is of Tamil Nadu Government Press Workers Sangam versus First Trade Union or the additional registrar, that is the Deputy Commissioner of Labour. So it has been observed in this case that for cancellation or withdrawal of the certificate of trade union, it is necessary to give prior notice of 2 months and communicate the grounds of cancellation or withdrawal of the certificate of registration to the aggrieved party. Basically, it was held in this case that you have to send the notice before 2 months and specify the grounds if you have to cancel the registration of the 2 months of that trade union. So moving on, next case is the Coromandel Cement Factory Employees Union versus the Deputy Registrar of the Trade Union and Deputy Commissioner of Labour, Kurnool. So it has been held in this case that the cancellation of registration without giving second show cause notice and without giving the opportunity to present the case uh, is liable to set aside, or such cancellation will be void if it is done without issuing any notice to the trade union. Moving on, the next case is of the Registrar of the Trade Union versus M. Mariswamy, 1974. It was held in this case that mistake may be the ground for withdrawal or the cancellation of the registration of the trade union. If the certificate is issued by mistake, then such certificate may be cancelled, provided that the mistake is on the part of the union and not the registrar himself. Only then he can cancel if the mistake is not on the part of the registrar. So next is a very important case, that is DCM Chemical Mazdoor Ekta Union versus the Registrar of Trade Union, Delhi. It was held in this case that the registrar is to act as a quasi-judicial authority complying with the rules of natural justice while the cancellation of the registration of that trade union. And the last case here is of the registration of trade union versus the Lake Palace Hotel Karyakarta Union, registration of trade union versus the Lake Palace Hotel Karyakarta Union, 1997. It was held in this case that the registrar of the trade union, if he desires to cancel the registration on the ground of the trade union, had willfully cancelled that trade union, and after the notice issuing of second notice will be compulsory by this act by the registrar. So these were the few cases regarding the cancellation of the trade union. So this was it about today. If you guys have any question, please ask me and share with me the feedback, and like and share this video also. Thank you everyone for watching.